We're a little behind the schedule, but my wife teaches me not to interrupt women, so I follow the rule. And so we got the governmental representatives' introduction of the government policies, strategies, programs and incentives for the sciences, life science businesses in Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia, and now it's the high time to switch to businesses. So business leaders will introduce the overview of the biotech and life science sector in the countries and make trends, highlights, success stories and opportunities for business perspective. So the first one will speak Professor Vladas Bumelis. He is the president, as I mentioned before, of the high-tech science and industry Valley Center and chairman of the board of the biotech company, Biotech Pharma. By the way, it was opened just in the beginning of September, officially opened in the beginning of September, so maybe some of you will visit another day this enterprise. So the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. So thank you very much once again to have a possibility to present to you Lithuanian biotech sector, and I believe that for me it will be much more easy because our Minister of Economy, Mr. Žilis, gives a quite excellent presentation about what we have in Lithuania and what we have a strategy, and I strongly would like to tell to you that in Lithuania, we have a quite good strategy, in which direction we are coming here for Lithuanian economical developing, and high-tech, it's one of priorities for this today in Lithuania, and it's good, very good plus for life science. So I would like to shortly to present to you our history, and so you see that in year 17 we started to build, and it was nice Soviet time. It was built the first biotech plant in Lithuania, and in 75 it was established a big institute of applied enzymology, and in this time already was huge. It was some good institutions and universities who was involved in life science, starting from Institute of Biochemistry, and later on it started to be Institute of Biotechnology. And we start to be involved in really in modern biotechnology, what it means genetic engineering biotechnology from 1984, and we start to be involved in biopharmaceuticals, and I would like to tell that in 1989, first biopharmaceutical, what was interferon alpha-2b, it was not biosimilar, it was innovative drug, and it was first biopharmaceutical, approved to be used for human use in this area. So it was good achievement at this time, but because we was in closed society, nobody knows about such activities what we was doing. In years 19th, when we start to once again be independent country, so it was established few companies from big institution at some organization, and if to have a look in biopharmaceutical industry, first GMP plant was established and built in Lithuania, it was in years 2000. And our areas and milestones what we have, so we are proud that in 2008 we get first approval of biopharmaceutical developed in Lithuania by Lithuanian scientists and by Lithuanian technologists, biotechnologists, and we get approval in EMEA, and we start together with the Israeli company. In this time we already have a nice big support from Israeli Teva company. We get approval for Tevagrastim drug, what's now it's sold in all European Union. And we are joking that everyone will like Olympic Games, and we are proud of Lithuanians that we get two gold medals in this Olympic Games. But coming from life science, I would like to tell that my understanding we get 3 medals Olympic, and one of them it is in biotechnology sport. What it is, because in 2012 we get approval for tevagrastim together with company Teva for tevagrastim in the United States. So in area of biotechnology, people sitting in this audience understand that really it's not easy to do it. And we would like to tell that now we will start the product produced in Lithuania to pharmaceutical product to start to sell in the United States. Biotechnological pharmaceutical production sectors, it's growing quite well, and the minister also indicate about it, so it's close to 22% each year. From time to time we have a little different figures, and we are doing big exports, so 90% of our products what we are producing in Lithuania is exported. We have 10 biotech companies, of 8 of which is specialized in pharmaceuticals, and now sometimes it's not easy to present biotechnology, because biotechnology is so wide definition that sometimes it's necessary to have a more strict understanding what it is biotechnological companies, and we strongly believe that its companies are involved in more modern biotechnology area and not too traditional biotechnological areas. Main companies what we have today and biggest companies in Lithuania it is Teva, Secor Biotech, acquisition of private companies like Secor Biotech, Thermo Fisher Scientific, already this was mentioned. Also some cosmetic company was also involved in pharmaceuticals, it is Bio Laboratory, and some diagnostic companies, what it is Sorpo, and also it is one company, Biocentras, what they are involved in biotechnological ecology. And as I was mentioned, now we are coming to new era, new area, what it is not only to produce something, but because we have a strategy in Lithuania to be a hub of service and knowledge export. So one example it is opening of new company with the name Biotech Pharma, which really will be a contract manufacturing and contract research company for multinational companies and for customers which would like to place our orders for this company. So we are ready to do job from gene till support on vials and syringes for clinical trials, phase 1, phase 3. Strategy what we have today till 20s, it is that biotechnology and laser technology. In Lithuania we are quite good also in lasers, not in industrial lasers, but in scientific lasers will be one of priority. So all optical equipment, clean technologies, I could tell that in Lithuania we are coming very strong in clean technologies, and one of good example is we are building a big center of research and development and production for solar batteries. It is also connected with the future energetics, so it is creative industries and healthcare, what also it is one of priority in Lithuania to 2020s. How we are working here and what's it is strategy. So really strategy it is that Lithuanians decide together, scientific academia people, business people and people from government, that we will work in connection with education, science and industry through 3 valleys. So it is 2 valleys in Lithuania, one what it is in Vilnius, what it is one Santara Valley, and mainly it is dedicated to biotechnology and innovative medical technologies and molecular medicine. We have another valley, what it is Sunrise Valley, it is more to Vilnius University buildings and area, it is in laser technology, light technologies, material science and nanotechnologies. 2 valleys, it's in Kaunas, one it is Santaka Valley and Nemunas Valley. It is we see in pharmaceuticals also, and what is also, in my understanding, very important, it is agrobiotechnology, which we are quite intensively developing in Lithuania for food and agro. And because we are a country close to Baltic Sea, we are looking also how we could use everything what we have from Baltic Sea, and it will be implied with the marine environment and another research is connected with the sea. So with these 5 valleys, we strongly believe that in huge investment, what's now it is done to valleys, is close to 1 billion euros for infrastructure, and starting from 2014, we strongly believe that already it's enough to invest in infrastructure, and we will invest more in soft issues like to support R&D activities and not to put too much on instrumentary. So, and one example, because I'm more connected with biotechnology and Santara Valley, I could tell that in Santara Valley you could see that we are building some new facilities, and one of them was mentioned was Biotech Pharma. It is energy research and development centers what will start to work. So really from 2013 it will be good integrated center with education, science and business, what we strongly believe that will give additional impact on our GDP and economy. So if you see in Santara Valley, it is a lot of hospitals which would help and are helping today to do different clinical trials in Lithuania, and we are good to do clinical trials because we have a good laboratory practice, good clinical practice, and all of you, if you will decide to have some connections with Lithuanian hospitals, really you will get excellent result and in good quality. We have 2 GMP plants in the Santara Valley. One it is Sikor Biotech, another Biotech Pharma. We have high-tech R&D facilities, and also we have some public sectors with the institutions and universities was in integrated area could help us to develop new technologies and to produce new products. So it is Santara Valley what we have today, and finalizing my presentation, I not strongly believe, but we have a business plan together with the Ministry of Economy, with the business environment, what it is today is that from 1% of GDP, what we have today and what's generating bioeconomy in Lithuania, in 2020 we will have more than 2%, and it is for sure because what we are looking, and when we are looking that it is opening new markets for pharmaceutical products starting in the United States. So I strongly believe that this business plan, it is realistic that could be achieved. So thank you very much for coming once again in Lithuania. I hope that in these few days you will find good contacts, and I am quite sure also in these 5 Santara Valley representatives what it is around. And once again, thanks for this.